today we're pretty much finished with the Camaro. We have only little details such as finishing the seat belts and buckles over there, and a couple plastic things, and we also need to find out what's supposed to be there. There are some holes over there, and we can see something goes there, but we didn't find it. Couldn't find it on a diagram, so we're gonna take it to the dealer because we want them to check the transmission oil level. We don't have equipment for that, so you know, it's a performance car, so we'd like to have everything right. So sunny day today, so we are beautiful day. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and head to our local dealer. First test drive, guys. I'm not gonna push it too hard. Okay, I'm showing that we have one tire is low on air, so, but you know, it drives perfect, straight. Definitely will do the wheel alignment. Wheel is a little bit off, steering wheel is a little bit off, but it drives nice, perfect. So we are very close, almost done, almost done. Okay, no luck this time. Dealer said that it takes special fluid. They don't have it, and they have to do complete transmission flush, and it takes a lot of transmission oil, which we have to order, and it's gonna be 5 days before we're gonna have it here. So we're gonna wait for those guys, or maybe check with a different Chevy dealership, see what they're gonna say. Yeah, so it is what it is. Going back to the shop. We took the car to alignment because we couldn't do the transmission fluid flush on at the dealer. So yeah, we tried to do the alignment and no luck again. We have tire rod bent, so we had to bring it back again. We're gonna order one, put it on the lift and replace it, then gonna take it back to do the alignment again. Takes a little bit more time. Okay, today is the very last day. We are putting this Camaro on a lift because we finally got the last parts, and they are right here. This little plastic piece is a vent. I'll show you guys where it goes. We couldn't figure out, but we actually did it. Little clips like that. We had to order, and there was one more plastic thing. Where's that? Hold on, give me just a second. And this. And that thing goes behind the grill, which is gonna be a little bit complicated for us because we already assembled the whole thing. So I don't know, but we have very smart tech. He'll figure it out, I hope. So yeah, that goes behind with those, using those clips, something like that, and SS emblem goes over here. Oops. And tie rod. That's why we couldn't do the alignment, because the alignment shop said that right tie rod is bent. Well, maybe it's slightly bent, but really we couldn't tell because we inspected it really well, but we couldn't tell. But it is what it is. So we got that thing. It was pretty expensive for a tie rod, like 75 bucks. But you know, we have to do it to make it drive perfect, align perfect. Okay, so that's the plan for today. Cool. Okay, like this piece right here, that's for the right side, and left side we already installed. So that's how it looks like. It's right here. So it goes behind the fender liner right there and attaches to the bumper. So this is like a duct, and it covers that hole. So right here, so air goes through that hole right there and goes through here. So we're just missing some clips, and this side is done. We're gonna go on the other side. finally were able to do the alignment on the Camaro. So that's how it was, with the bent tie rod on the right front, and everything looks good over here now. So we're going back to the dealer now to make an appointment for a transmission fluid flush and Freon. So all right, let's see. I just pulled up on the parking lot of Horales, and look at those. Which one you like more? 2017 or 2019? Not a lot of difference, but I think the 19 looks sharper. I like 2017 hood more than that one. But the back, the rear one makes the difference. The lights, those lights on the blue one are ugly. These ones are much better. They should have made those like that.